My name is Frankenstein. Yes, you heard it, Frankenstein. And I'm the founder of Umbrella Corp. As a modern company, we're constantly trying to make our team more competitive through productivity hacks and teamwork tools. A year ago, we came across Workep, a platform that redefines the way teams collaborate. We use G Suite, but Google lacked a project management platform that was integrated with Drive, Calendar, Gmail, etc. We tried so many tools that were not flexible enough to adapt to our needs and tended to be generic. Some were extremely complicated, others were very feature poor. At the end, nobody used them.
Until we started using Workep, a tool to collaborate in any kind of project, from marketing campaigns, development, design, anything. At the end, a company is that, projects. The integration was easy. Just one click, and the whole team was centralized in G Suite. We didn't need any technical knowledge. Actually, they started without me.
Each team creates their own projects using tools they need on their day-to-day.
What I love the most about Workep is the flexibility. Our inbound marketing campaigns are so much easier to track and execute. Each team member knows what they need to do and when it's due. The budget tracker and the integration of HubSpot is amazing. It facilitates everything.
Having GitHub, the Scrum methodology and the dev team in one place makes everything move faster. And even more when you have to collaborate with the design team on the same project. Doing that before, it was impossible.
For me, Workep is collaboration. It's really valuable to create layouts for the dev team, content for the marketing, and presentations for the sales teams, and get their feedback and approval in a centralized manner. It's the first time that I feel we move in the same direction.
I used to spend a lot of time creating reports, sending reminders for delayed tasks, or planning a project from scratch. Now, I just use Genius. It works like a virtual assistant in a chat. I just request any kind of reports or send reminders for delayed tasks automatically, and when I'm creating a new project, it suggests integrations that could be useful, team members, and more. That's insane. I think artificial intelligence will definitely change the future of a teamwork. You already see it. Workep really redefined the way our teams collaborate.